In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image into Microsoft Word. Now, there are many ways that we can do this. The simplest is probably to drag and drop your image onto your document. So here you can see I've got an image on my desktop and I want to insert it somewhere in my document. Now, the first thing you need to do is just click exactly on the page where you want your image to go. So I'm going to want mine here. So I've clicked and you can see my cursor flashing. So if I now click on my image, drag and drop it to that place, there goes my picture. And you can see it's big and it's created a space on that line because it's actually sat on that line of text and it's being treated like a letter. So I'm just going to create a little bit of space and I'm going to press enter and it will go underneath. Now, there are other ways of dealing with how this appears on the page and how it creates space around it, but I'm going to show you that in a different video. So how else can we insert an image? Now, you can just simply copy an image and then paste it into it. Now, I've done that with a screenshot, taken a little screenshot of the corner of my document. So again, I click where I want it to appear and I paste. So that is Control V. And if I'm on a Mac, then I do Propeller V. So in goes my little screenshot. Now it has moved on to a different line and that's just because it's a big picture. If I shrink that down, you can see it sits on the same line. And just as before, I need to do what I did with this. So I can paste an image onto my document. Now, a third way of doing it is to insert an image using our Insert tab. Now we're on the Insert ribbon, and under Illustrations, you can see I've got two options here to insert pictures. The first one goes and looks at my drive, so actually on my computer. So if I click on my desktop, you can see I have the picture of the Lego Me from before. I'm going to insert it. And in goes the picture where we clicked. And if we go to insert, we'll look at the other way now, which was online pictures. And if I click this, it's going to take a moment. I can search Bing, which is Microsoft's version of Google search. And I can search for an image. So let's look for some cheesecake. And we get pictures of cheesecake. Now this little tick here says Creative Commons only, and this means it will only look for pictures that people have said that we can use freely in our work. Now you'll notice at the bottom it says you are responsible for respecting other people's rights, including copyright. So you must obey copyright when you use other people's images, and people who have marked their stuff as Creative Commons have said you can use their picture. If we untick it, we do get lots more pictures of cheesecake, but they may be from copyright sources, so other people's websites, and so you shouldn't really be using those pictures without their permission. Now there is the fair use excuse, so if you're just using the picture for yourself, then it's okay. However, if you're going to publish your work and let it be seen by others, then you really do need to make sure you have the permission of the person who took the picture to use it. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's actually insert a picture of a cheesecake in. I'm going to go for that one. That looks quite appetizing. So I'm just going to click insert. So it downloads the file and sticks it in my work. And you can see that that's a very big picture. So once again, I'm just going to scale that down and it will pop itself underneath the image we've got there. So different ways you can insert an image into a word processing document. You can drag and drop. You can paste an image in. You can use the Insert tab and either insert a picture from your computer or you can search online.